Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad choirul Ramadhan. I'm from Sipil B. In this opportunity, I would like to present about bridge construction. First, I will explain to you about understanding civil engineering about bridge. The bridge is a contraction that serves to pass to the interrupt traffic about and due to obstacle in the form of rivers, waterways, valleys, roads, railroad crossing underneath. The structure under the bridge is a foundation. A foundation system must be calculated to ensure the safety, stability of the building above may not occur in part of in the full to exceed the permit limits. Principle for choosing bridge construction. Civil construction can be the community boss, law priest. And then, principle for choosing bridge construction. Simple construction can be done by the community boss, law priest. Take advantage of local materials, strong and durable, able to accept traffic rules, easy and cheap. Maintenance can be done by machine, stable and able to withstand score of water. Next, bridge layout selection. Select shortest path avoid river bend location, avoid age abutment. Kind of construction types. First, wood floor iron girder bridge. Second, reinforced concrete bridge. Third, suspension bridge. 4. Bridge direct and hardwood floors. And the last is bridge foundation. Types of normal or recommended bridge foundation in PPK 1. Direct foundation material pair stone or reinforced concrete suitable for medium to hard soil types. And simple piling foundation material poles made of reinforced concrete or wood suitable for soft soil types. And the next, well foundation material from concrete made suitable for sandy soil where hard soil are rather deep. And thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.